What happens during a frame damage assessment? Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes when your car gets damaged in an accident? One key part of the process is the frame damage assessment. This assessment is essential for understanding how badly your vehicle has been affected and what needs to be done next. Let's break it down step by step. When a vehicle is involved in an accident, trained technicians or insurance adjusters begin with a visual inspection. They look for clear signs of frame damage. This includes checking for misaligned doors, windows, or panels. They also search for unusual gaps, dents, bends, or any asymmetry in the vehicle's shape. These visible signs can indicate deeper structural issues. After the visual check, precise measurements come into play. Technicians use specialized tools to gather data about the vehicle's frame. While basic measuring tapes and levels might be used, advanced equipment like laser measuring systems and three-dimensional scanners often take center stage. These tools compare the current frame dimensions to the manufacturer's original specifications. This helps to uncover distortions or bends that may not be immediately visible. Once the measurements are taken, the data is analyzed. The goal here is to assess the severity of the damage. Technicians determine if the frame can be repaired safely and cost-effectively. If the damage is too extensive, it may be deemed impractical or unsafe to repair. Insurance companies relying on this information to decide if the vehicle should be repaired or declared a total loss. Often, this decision hinges on whether the repair costs exceed a certain percentage of the vehicle's value. Documentation is another critical part of the frame damage assessment. The adjuster records all findings, including photographs and detailed notes. This documentation supports the insurance claim and repair decisions. It ensures that everything is transparent and accurate throughout the claims process. From the perspective of car insurance, a thorough frame damage assessment serves to protect both the insurer and the policyholder. It ensures that repairs restore the vehicle's safety and value. If the vehicle is totaled, it helps in making a fair settlement. Additionally, frame damage can impact future insurance coverage and premiums. Vehicles with frame damage may have reduced resale value and could pose safety risks if not properly repaired. In essence, a frame damage assessment involves a visual inspection, precise measurements with specialized tools, detailed analysis, and thorough documentation. This process is vital for evaluating the structural damage to a vehicle's frame, guiding insurance claims, and making informed repair decisions.